Welcome to DATAPROBE with Vinod. I'm going to show you how to create a custom card visual in Power BI. So this is our data. In this data, I was taken here total sales amount and total sales amount for last year. These two comparison, I was selecting a few measures. With this, it will be going to highlighting a coloring with the red color and green color. The green indicates if it is lesser than the last year sales, the value it will be shown as a green. If it is the value is greater than the last year sales, then it will show as a red color. So we'll see that these are the measures which we used here. See here, this is the color format. This measure I am using, I used as a switch function here. So here there is a coloring I selected with this. Total sales amount is greater than last year's sales. Then it will be shown as a green. If it is total sales amount is lesser than the last year's sales, if it is shown as a red color. Okay. This will, how will we going to creating a custom card visual with this help of these color formatting and with these sales amounts. I will show you as an example here. See, this is a generally we are using as a custom, card visual. This card visual, if I select any amounts, it will be show you like this. This is a normal card visual. What we'll do, I'll be taking one pie chart here. In this pie chart, I will going to add here green color, green measure in the values, the red color in the values. See, in this, the green color and red color, I used as the same. The total sales amount is greater than the sales amount in the last year, 1 or 0. If it is in the red also, the same. The lesser of the total sales amount from the last year is a 1 or 0. So for these two, we'll have to be selecting a colorings. Here, green color, what we choose in here, the green color is this one. This is a X code. This X code I am changing with this green color here. See, the green color is changed here. The same way in the red color also. If we selected the red color and it will be copying hex color here. It is changing here. See now here also red color is changed. So now I am turn off that all the data labels and legends and the title. So now it is we'll keep it aside for this. And then I am creating one more visual. This is a custom column chart. This custom column chart I am creating for a month-wise sales. This is the total sales. And this month name is long. I am taking x-axis. You see, I am going to turning off all labels and x-axis names and titles. See here. So in this main title also I'm removing. Here this is our one custom chart. One chart it is. In this chart I am going to using. I'm going to creating columns. Here it is a default. It is coming in the blue color. In this blue color I am giving. I'm going to change the blue color with the field value. That field value we are created for the color formatting. That color formatting measure I am given here. So it is whenever we given that colors will be changed. Colors are changed here. So this one I am going to adjusting it and I am keeping here. And this value also I am going to disabling the category labels and I am reducing this size, the suitable size here. I'm just keeping here. I'm just taking this one also. See, this is our custom card visual. If I select it any year, the values are changing and colors also changing. If you see this one, the indication here, it is seeing the January, February, like 12 months was displaying here. So here there is it not 12 months is there. So whatever the months is going to come in the data, those months will be shown, and whatever the highlighting here, if you see the total sales amount is greater than the last year sales. So that's why it is a green color. If it is last year sales is greater than the current year sales. So that's why it is going selected here. So that's why it is going to showing as a red color. So the way of selection, it will be going to changing that our custom card KPI visual also. So this is a guys KPI card visual selection.